Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan tacos del pastor. This is actually a recipe that I wanted to make because I have a cultural connection to it. So this recipe that I'm gonna show you is super simple. All the ingredients you can find in your local grocery store here in the US. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this recipe.
Okay, so first we're going to want to preheat the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Next we're going to be attempting to peel this butternut squash. If you have a good sharp peeler, I'm sure this technique will work for you, but as you can see here, it clearly didn't work for me. So all I'm doing now is cutting the ends of the squash so that it can stand up straight on the table, and then I'm cutting the skin as if you were with a melon or some other kind of hard fruit. You want to make sure you have a sharp knife because that's going to make it slide more easily, but again, if you have a good sharp peeler, that should work as well. After you have peeled your butternut squash, you will need to cube it into even sized pieces. This is important so your squash can cook evenly in the oven. Next, we are going to make the sauce in a blender or food processor. Combine your yellow or white onion, white vinegar, your oil of choice, salt, and all of the spices. I also forgot the cinnamon and cumin in this recipe, but like I mentioned, you don't have to add all of these. You can omit whatever you don't have in hand and it will still have a lot of flavor. Lastly, I am adding about 1/4 cup of water and then blend until smooth. Once it's all blended together, coat your squash evenly with the sauce and place it in the oven for 45 minutes, tossing halfway through and checking with a fork until the pieces are soft. After your squash is done, you can start warming up your tortillas and getting all of your toppings ready to serve. I am doing a little bit of refried beans for added protein, a few pieces of the butternut squash, avocado, salsa verde, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. And there you have it, we have made some delicious vegan tacos al pastor that still hit that spot of the homeland with every single bite. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel for more fresh recipes and videos.